Today I like to speak on very important topic, that is the thing that we always tend to forget or ignore, although we experience it every fraction of a second, every day, every moment, and we always forget it. What is that? That everything is permanently impermanent. Everything has one intrinsic nature. Intrinsic nature is the nature that cannot be changed. Everything arises with that nature. That is, the things are always consistently, continuously changed. They never stop. From the moment we were born, this impermanence also is born with us. And it never stops. The moment it stops, we are kaput, finished. So, always we experience it, we go through it from the moment we were born. We know that the whole planetary system, the Earth, other planets and stars and so forth, all are moving, changing, going in a circle. In rotating, because one object is rotating, because other object is rotating, and if they stop, everything stops, but nothing stops. Everything keeps going on and on and on and on and on forever, and we exist within this ever changing intrinsic nature of everything, impermanence. Our existence itself is there because of impermanence. If there is no impermanence, we cannot exist. We have to eat and digest food. If the food is permanent, you cannot digest it. If the digestion system stops without changing, we cannot digest. Every second, according to biologists, our bones, flat or round bones in our body, produce 2.5 million blood cells, red blood cells. Why the bones produce so many blood cells every second? Because every second so many blood cells die. So they have to replace. This is very natural, biological truth. And this happens to the physical thing, the body. The mind is changing even faster than that. Almost it is said that mind is changing 17 times faster than the body. It is hard, it is very difficult even for us to think of something and try to put verb or word to that, because when we form a word, the things that we have experienced is gone. We are putting the label to something which does not exist. So, in order to understand this we must understand this very clearly, because not understanding this very nature, the very truth, we are always in trouble, in pain, in suffering. You know, this impermanence, sometimes, philosophers, psychologists, mathematicians, even little children understand superficially, because they see sun rises in the morning, sunset in the evening, and morning it is cool, and slowly it turns into warm and hot, and then again it cools down, and towards the evening it will be cool and so forth. Noticing these things, somebody can say things are changing, impermanent. But they never learn to make use of impermanence, to make us, we are not trying to understand impermanence to make it permanent. Nobody can make impermanent permanent. Even if you attain enlightenment, you are not going to stop impermanent, going to make impermanent permanent. Impermanent is permanently impermanent. So what we want to understand is, since things are impermanent, we learn to live with impermanence. We cannot run away from impermanence. Since we cannot stop, as we cannot fight, we join. So when we join, we are comfortable. When we fight, we build up friction, tension, anxiety, worry, fear. So it is because of impermanence, it is said, everything impermanent is unsatisfactory. Everything impermanent is suffering. We suffer not because of impermanence, but because of our attachment to impermanent things. So we cannot stop impermanence, but we can stop the attachment to impermanent things. When we stop the attachment to impermanent things, then although things are going on, changing, we will not suffer. We suffer not thinking that these are impermanent. Without thinking that they are impermanent, we become to try to hold on to it, attach to it, cling to it. And we are trying to cling to impermanent things without giving us any prior notice. In advance notice, things change. Impermanence never gives us any advance notice. Oh, I'm going to change, you got to be very careful. It doesn't say that. It simply pulls the rug under our feet without giving us any notice. So all of a sudden we get into pain, suffering. We are holding on to something, and next moment it is gone, then we are stranded. We have no help. So it is always unreliable. Sometimes we think that when we lean against something, we are secure, safe. But actually when we lean against something, we are insecure. Why? Because when this falls, you fall with that. You are leaning on impermanent thing, hoping to get security, satisfaction, pleasure, joy. When this thing change, fall, you fall with it. And you will be in pain and suffering. And therefore, it is better not to leave impermanence over there, try to live here. It is better for us to see the impermanent happening to us every fraction of a second. When we understand that my hair is changing, my face is changing, eyes are changing, my teeth are changing, my skin is changing, my inside is changing, what can I do? Can I run away from it? Can I stop it? We cannot stop it. We cannot run away. Where to run away? Wherever we go, there we are. We carry this baggage, this package, this intrinsic nature with us. So we are completely in impermanence. It is not somebody's creation. Impermanence is always there permanently. So we are born into this impermanence and live with impermanence, and then we only time we become permanent is after our death. Then there is no worry. But until then, we always have to accept this impermanence, go along with it. When we go along with it, we are comfortable. The moment we try to fight, we build up tension, anxiety, friction, worry, fear, and so forth. In order to avoid building up tension, anxiety, worry, we must accept the truth. The truth is the tastiest of all the tastes. Not many people say that. Many people say truth is bitter. But when we understand the truth, then the truth makes us happy, and then we enjoy our living. And that is the sweetest thing, tastiest things in life, to live with understanding, with accepting the reality. So, and therefore, this is extremely important matter. Truth, this is truth. It is undeniable truth. Nobody can say, no, this is permanent, this is impermanent, that is okay, this is not. Not like that. Everything is impermanent. So, we have to face truth, accept the truth. We cannot fight the truth. And when we accept the truth, live with the truth makes us secure and happy. If we try to find the truth, then we will be in trouble, because nobody anywhere has ever lived and is living or will live who can fight the truth. Truth is there and we have to accept it, go along with and live with the truth. And therefore, when we live with the truth, then we will be very, very happy, free from tension, anxiety, worry and fear. Make our life very, very happy. So, to make our life happy, all we have to do is to accept the truth, not created truth or not imaginary truth, but real truth of all existing things.